The final seal projected a glowing world map, several points pulsing with an otherworldly light, each one marking the location of a hidden relic. Alina, reading from an ancient book. Ya Naqshah, surf jagahenahi dihata. Ya waktabi dikata high. Which means this map doesn't just show locations, it also shows time. Zayan looked up, realizing they're not just locations, they're countdowns. In Turkey, Rayaan used his wits and strength to unlock a secret passage beneath the mystical land of Kappa. Back at the safe house, the team watched as the final piece slotted into place. And in Japan, Zayan faced a fearsome guardian spirit in a bamboo forest and bested it in a battle of wits and strategy. As the countdown on the seal reached 0, a new pulse appeared on the map, this one closer to home. In Egypt, Alina deciphered ancient hieroglyphs inside a sunken tomb to unlock a hidden chamber. Each relic they found added a piece to the eye, but it also triggered a shadow pulse, alerting the hollow flame to their progress. A beat of silence hung in the air before a voice shattered the calm. So the game has begun. This new addition to the team brought with them a wealth of knowledge and skills that proved invaluable in the fight against the hollow flame. They knew the risks were high, but the fate of the world depended on their success. The room was filled with tension as the team anxiously awaited their friend's return. But they were ambushed. Swords flashed and the team was surrounded. It read, "When the eye is whole, the world will fracture, unless the bearer chooses silence." Just when our hope seemed lost, a masked figure swooped in, helping them escape. The fate of the world hung in the balance as they prepared for the final showdown. Raya quietly voiced a question on everyone's mind. What if we're not the heroes of this story? In a montage of action, the team raced against time and the hollow flame across the globe, deciphering cryptic clues, scaling treacherous heights, and battling relentless enemies. The race against time had begun, and there was no turning back. Torn between hope and despair, they grappled with the implications of the prophecy, unsure of what to do next. Zayan, gazing at the stars, whispered, "We're not just chasing relics anymore. We're chasing time." She had discovered a new relic site, one that held the key to their next move. With renewed determination, they raced to the cliffs overlooking the ocean. She explained, "I know what they're planning, and you're already too late." Their determination and courage knew no bounds as they pushed themselves to the limit in search of the ultimate prize. Meanwhile, back at the safe house, the atmosphere shifted. They had to find a way to stop the hollow flame and save the world before it was too late. Suddenly, a news report flashed on the screen, revealing the devastating consequences of the hollow flame's plan. The team was horrified to learn the true extent of the danger they were facing and the lives that were at stake. As the clock ticked, the team sprung into action, racing against time to prevent the worst-case scenario. But they weren't alone in this fight. An unexpected ally emerged, someone who had been watching them, waiting for the right moment to intervene. Together, the team devised a daring plan to infiltrate the hollow flame's stronghold and put an end to their reign of terror once and for all. The team assembled at the train station in Paris, ready for their next move. Only later, when the coast was clear, did they remove their masks to reveal Naira, a former member of the hollow flame. Naira led them to a secret archive in London, where she showed them a hidden prophecy. The revelation sent shockwaves through the team, shaking their belief in their mission. As the weight of the prophecy settled upon them, the team was forced to confront the possibility that their actions could lead to the destruction of the world. Suddenly, an urgent message from Alina snapped them out of their thoughts. As the episode came to a close, the stars aligned perfectly above the next relic site, creating a breathtaking celestial spectacle. With the fate of the world hanging in the balance, the team prepared to embark on their most perilous adventure yet.